Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Deep Dive. First, navigate to your Data tab in Bubble and select the Deep Dive option. This powerful tool helps you uncover hidden patterns and trends within your application's data. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view, allowing you to make more informed decisions. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced analysis techniques, ensuring you can leverage its full potential for your projects. To begin configuring your deep dive, first select the data type you want to explore, such as users or orders. Next, apply precise filters to refine your data, perhaps showing only records from the last 30 days or those meeting a specific condition. You can add up to 5 filters for granular control. Finally, choose the fields you want to see, ensuring your view highlights the most critical information for your analysis. Once your deep dive is set up, it's time to analyze the results. Look for visual trends and patterns in the charts and tables. Use the grouping feature to segment your data, for example, by creation date or user role, to compare different categories. You can group by up to 3 different criteria. After gaining your insights, easily export your findings as a CSV file for further reporting or to share with your team members. For more advanced analysis, consider using custom expressions to create unique calculations based on your data fields. This allows for highly specific metrics tailored to your needs. Remember to save your deep dive configurations. This saves you time by allowing instant access to frequently used analyses. You can save an unlimited number of configurations. Finally, integrate your deep dive insights into other Bubble workflows to automate actions based on your data findings, enhancing your application's intelligence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.